Cucumber juice is a refreshing drink that packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Let's dive into why you might want to consider adding this vibrant green juice to your daily routine. First off, the nutritional profile of cucumber juice is impressive. It's low in calories but high in essential vitamins and minerals. Just 1 cup of cucumber juice can provide you with a good dose of vitamin K, which is crucial for bone health, and vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties. Plus, cucumbers are made up of about 95% water, making this juice incredibly hydrating. Now, let's talk about the health advantages. Cucumber juice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce swelling and irritation in the body. It's also rich in antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. Drinking cucumber juice regularly can support heart health by helping to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. When it comes to weight management, cucumber juice is a fantastic ally. Its low-calorie count means you can enjoy a generous serving without worrying about your waistline. The high water content helps you feel full, which can curb those pesky cravings. Plus, it's a great alternative to sugary drinks, making it easier to maintain a healthy diet. Now, let's not forget about the beauty benefits. Cucumber juice can work wonders for your skin and hair. The hydration it provides can lead to a more radiant complexion, while its vitamin C content helps promote collagen production, keeping your skin youthful. Applying cucumber juice topically can soothe sunburns and reduce puffiness around the eyes. For your hair, the silica in cucumbers can strengthen strands and promote shine. Detoxification is another key benefit. Cucumber juice acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins and excess water from your body. This can support kidney function and improve overall digestive health. Plus, the antioxidants in cucumber juice can boost your immune system, keeping you healthy and vibrant. Making cucumber juice is simple. Just take a fresh cucumber, wash it thoroughly, and chop it into pieces. Blend it with a little water until smooth, then strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove the pulp. You can add a squeeze of lemon or a hint of mint for extra flavor. Incorporating cucumber juice into your diet is easy. You can enjoy it on its own, mix it into smoothies, or use it as a base for salad dressings. It's a versatile ingredient that can enhance many dishes. Just remember to start with small amounts if you're new to it, and listen to your body. While cucumber juice is generally safe for most people, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort if they consume too much. If you have a history of kidney stones, consult your doctor, as cucumbers contain oxalates, which can contribute to stone formation in susceptible individuals. Incorporating cucumber juice into your lifestyle can be a refreshing way to boost your health. With its myriad benefits, from hydration to beauty enhancement, it's a simple addition that can make a significant difference in how you feel and look. So, why not give it a try? Your body will thank you. Cucumber juice is often overlooked, but it's a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your well-being. Let's dive into some of the advanced health benefits it offers. First up, anti-aging properties. Cucumber juice is rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in the body. This means it can help reduce wrinkles and keep your skin looking youthful. Hydration is key, and cucumber juice is about 95% water, making it an excellent choice for maintaining skin elasticity. Next, let's talk about cardiovascular health. The potassium in cucumber juice plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. By promoting healthy blood circulation, it can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, the fiber content aids in lowering cholesterol levels, making it a heart-friendly addition to your diet. Now, if you're concerned about blood sugar regulation, cucumber juice can be beneficial. It has a low glycemic index and contains compounds that may help lower blood sugar levels. This makes it a great option for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Moving on to eye health, cucumber juice is packed with vitamin A and beta-carotene, which are essential for good vision. Regular consumption can help prevent age-related macular degeneration and keep your eyes sharp. Gut health is another area where cucumber juice shines. Its high water content and fiber promote digestion and help prevent constipation. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the digestive tract, making it a great choice for those with gastrointestinal issues. Now, let's explore some delicious combinations. Mixing cucumber with lemon juice not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts vitamin C intake, which is great for your immune system. Cucumber and mint juice is refreshing and can help with digestion. If you're looking for a spicy kick, try cucumber and ginger juice. It's fantastic for metabolism. For a soothing option, cucumber and aloe vera juice can help with hydration and skin health. And don't forget cucumber and green apple juice, which adds a sweet twist while providing additional nutrients. Cucumber juice can also be tailored for specific health conditions. For weight loss, its low-calorie content and high water content can help you feel full without adding extra pounds. If you're dealing with skin conditions, the anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritation. For those with high blood pressure, the potassium and hydration from cucumber juice can be incredibly beneficial. Kidney health can also improve, as cucumber acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins. And for joint pain, the anti-inflammatory effects can provide relief. Detox programs using cucumber juice are gaining popularity. A simple one-day detox can involve drinking cucumber juice throughout the day, paired with plenty of water and light meals. For a more extended cleanse, a 3-day detox can include cucumber juice, green smoothies, and whole foods to rejuvenate your system. While cucumber juice is generally safe, it's important to address some common myths. Some people believe it can cause bloating, but this is usually only the case if consumed in excess. Moderation is key. Also, while it's hydrating, it shouldn't replace water entirely. Potential side effects are rare, but if you have allergies or are on certain medications, consult with a healthcare professional before making it a regular part of your diet. To maximize the benefits of cucumber juice, try to consume it fresh and organic when possible. Pairing it with other nutrient-dense ingredients can enhance its health properties even further. Incorporating cucumber juice into your daily routine can be a refreshing and health-boosting choice. Whether you enjoy it on its own or mixed with other ingredients, the benefits are clear.